Good afternoon, guys. We put a new trailer hitch on the van here. All nice and shiny hitch and ball and everything. Couldn't get it up the SUV because it became one with the receiver. So this is the first haul with the van. A dishwasher, a deep freeze, washer, and another washer. So we got two washers, deep freeze, and this on the truck. Oh my God, on the van. These are three hot water heaters we got the other day. Two oil ones, one oil one there, one oil one there, and electric one here. Now the oil ones, some of them are supposed to have copper coils in them, big copper coils. We'll check that out when we start tearing them down, obviously. So we're gonna stand these up on end and bring all that stuff in a minute or two. And then we're going to take the trailer.
Looks like a whole lot of nothing.
That one I think was cleaned out. This one here is solid bottom on it. Yeah. I think they scavenged that one already.
I think that one fell apart.
Yeah, I do too. So we're gonna load this and take the trailer home tonight on the van. Load up with stuff that's in the yard when we get home. And thankfully we're not going that way. We're going the highway, so we don't have to worry about that train as we hear coming through. And from that place also we got the truck loaded. Old hot water tank, or old oil tank torn down, cut up. A couple of heaters to throw in the scrap. There's big chunks of copper hidden under here probably. But before I take it over, I bring a cinch cord in tomorrow with me. So I take the grinder, grind this nice big chunk of copper off of there, and this piece of brass. I'm thinking that's brass there. I don't know about the rest of it, but we're gonna stand the heaters up there, buddy.
Oh no.
I think you can get that up on top.
Yep.
Or actually put it down the side because we throw the deep freeze up. Yeah, put it right down the side there, bud. So I'm gonna give him a hand here. Just drop it right down. There you go. Roll her over. We're not very gentle when we move.
Oh,
try not to hit the table. Land it right like that. Yep, you're good.
I broke it.
Oh, you broke it. You broke it. Oh, no.
That thing better be closed.
So I'm coming in here tomorrow. We'll put a little of that shred that's here on the trailer. Whatever we bring from the house is gonna have to be tore down probably. So I'll put that here. I don't know, this stuff up on the trailer myself. I'll put the trailer on the truck and take it over scrapyard.
Oh, they make these pretty
and then come back here and start tearing stuff down. If we have another load of shred, we'll take a load of shred over too. And we'll see what we can do. So those two are loading this up. There's a nice big chunk of brass right there gonna get off it. The motor, and he's probably got aluminum. Well, we'll see when we take it apart. The fella gave us, there's a charge of $15 to drop these off the scrapyard because of the Freon in them. Unless you guys next door here to us, you can talk to them, they're heating and cooling company. They might be able to, with Freon for me, at a good rate. And that would make me some money because then I could take them like they are and get the weight for them and use the compressors out of them, cut the compressors down. So we'll see how that works. But get the young guy here and help him out. So as I said, that's why we had to clean this out unless this area's full again. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna bring more stuff in with me. It's gonna be pile on top. I just have this little bit of room to get out with the stuff to load into the trailer. I finished loading off the truck. Oh well, it is what it is. So hopefully I can get a load in here, another load in here tomorrow morning and get this out of here and process as much as I can of this for the next day. So we're on to go. I gotta give him a hand. He's caught up there. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and God bless, guys.